Hi, my name is Claire. I just done a session on MasterKit. The feedback I would give, I think it's a very good program in identifying issues in which you need to work on. Like, people make decisions either based on love or fear, and this works on your fear base and your unsubconscious level, because people can believe on conscious levels, but your brain operates 90 to 95% unsubconscious, so it's trying to fix that part of it. And what I described to the girls was, it's like going to a destination but having no roadmap. So you know your destination, but you have no roadmap on how to get there. So it's a very gray. Whereas this, I was able to get emotion, something I'd suppressed because I didn't like that belief. But sitting down, I was able to, sitting down and having the time and thinking about it, the belief became clear, because my conscious level, I was like, everything's fine, everything's good, but ultimately there's not, because it hasn't happened yet. There was something holding me back. And it was something that I didn't connect the two dots together until I went through and figured out the belief. And then the next step is ultimately transforming it, which would be through the tools in which the girls worked through. Yeah, I thought it was good. The only feedback I would give is to have like a more private location, like where the person feels safe and able to talk. There's lots of people kind of walking around, and people that I knew, so it was very difficult for me to be vulnerable, open up and talk when, you know, there's people around that, yeah, it just made it a little harder, for sure. Yeah, that's it.